What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is the speed test between OPPO A3s and the OPPO F7. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now OPPO A3s sports a Snapdragon 450 processor with Adreno 506 GPU, while OPPO F7 sports a MediaTek Helio P60 processor with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. These are the benchmark scores. Now purely based on benchmark scores, OPPO F7 is way better. So let's see how they perform side by side. Now for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, both phones are updated to the latest operating system, and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there is a huge difference between both the phones, and OPPO F7 is noticeably faster than OPPO A3s. So OPPO F7 is the winner in the speed test. Now for the memory management test, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how both the phones perform. In the memory management round, OPPO F7 was able to keep more apps in memory and it was faster while retrieving apps from memory. So in this round, once again OPPO F7 is the winner. Now for the final test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. While opening games, OPPO F7 was noticeably faster than A3s. So guys, to wrap it up, OPPO F7 is the winner in terms of speed test and memory management test. Even if you compare both phones side by side, OPPO F7 has a lot more to offer, like a better display, fingerprint scanner, some additional software features, and lot more performance. So out of these two phones, obviously OPPO F7 will be way better. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you are planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off, have a nice day.